Hi guys, I purchased this smart garage hub by MyQ. Let's see what do we have in this box. Actually, the benefit of this is you can open and close most of your garage doors remotely, or you can check, for example, if you left your home and you forgot to close the door, you can check, or if you're in doubt, you can check, if it is open or close, and you can close it remotely as well. So let's see what do we have in this box. All right, this is the hub, I think. Yeah, it says Wi-Fi hub. This is how it look like. Let's leave this aside. Some information, how to install it and other kind of things, I believe. Yeah, and this is the sensor. I was checking online and this tab, you remove it to engage the battery. With this, battery is not engaged, I will do it when I start installing it. That will be my next video. What else? Okay, door sensor was in this, and this is hardware and guide. So that's about it. Let's see what do we have in the hardware. As a hardware, we have power going to the hub and this bracket which will be installed close to the garage motor, and screws and stuff, normal stuff. So this bracket, once this is installed like this, so this is supposed to go, I think, like this. Yeah, so it will go like this. So meaning this is in the wall, I believe this way, like up in the ceiling, and you will slide this thing in this way, or if you have installed it this way, then you can go this way. All right, so this is what we have, and this power goes somewhere in the hub right here, and this will go to the wall outlet or ceiling outlet, wherever it will go. That will be in the next video. When I install it, I will show it to you. So the next video after this, actually, it's gonna be how to set it up.